Make money online fast in 2022. Is it really possible? The answer is yes, and to be very honest, there are different methods and strategies at your disposal to make money online fast. In this video, I want to share with you 3 real valid and proven strategies you can leverage to make even tons of money online. Each strategy involves different abilities and skills, and it all depends on your personality and business inclinations. But I want to be clear and transparent from the beginning of this video because I don't want to create false expectations. I won't speak about stupid methods such as French roulette methods, red and black strategy, or crazy investments, or pyramid schemes, or something similar. If you are looking for these methods to make money fast, I'm not the right guy. I want to talk about how to create real businesses from scratch without investing tons of money and even without investing any money, with the sole purpose of helping your audience to fix their problems thanks to your products or services. Okay, let's do it. My name is Max Cecco and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. First of all, I want you to know that making money fast by selling real stuff to help people is possible. On the flip side, it all depends on your stage of development. I mean, say, your level of competency, your abilities, your skills, if you start from scratch with no money, if you can invest money, and your personality as well. During this video, I'll make different examples to let you understand the different scenarios available. And after explaining these strategies, I will talk about some important marketing skills you should master. Let's start with the first strategy. Strategy number 1. Social authority. You can use this strategy if you are a content creator in a defined niche. This strategy consists of sharing your knowledge and experience on social networks for free at the beginning to help people fix their problems. For instance, let's suppose you want to share dating advice for men just to make things simple. In this specific scenario, you build your fan base and people start following you because they receive great tips and tricks. So the question is, what could you sell to make money fast? There are different solutions available. 1. Your digital products. You can sell your online courses, such as video courses, audio courses, ebooks, and so on. 2. Affiliate products. You can establish a partnership with an author in your same niche. Thanks to a referral link, every time one of your fans buys digital products thanks to your affiliate link, you will receive a commission. It all depends on the deal you established with your partner. 3. Consultancy. People can buy 1 hour or 30 minutes of your time to receive customized solutions to their problems. After the first consultancy, you can sell mentoring or coaching programs for 3 or even 6 months. It all depends on what you're willing to do and your customers' needs. Strategy number 2. Investing in paid ads. Let's suppose this scenario. You have just started your business from scratch, but no one knows you and you don't have an important social authority. In this case, you can't monetize your experience in the short term with the previous strategy because it takes time. The fastest way to make money online is to use paid ads in order to put your message in front of your audience. In this case, I don't recommend selling affiliate products, but you should focus on selling your digital products or services, or even physical products thanks to an e-commerce store. To be very honest, making money fast with an e-commerce store is not so easy for multiple reasons that I don't want to mention in this video. Indeed, especially at the beginning, you have to invest tons of money because the profit margins are shallow, between 15 and 25% if you are very lucky. The question is, what could you sell to make money with this strategy? 1. your digital products. You can sell your online courses, and I highly recommend focusing on video courses plus live Q&A weekly sessions. The price range can vary between $97 and $2,000. 2. Coaching or mentoring programs. In my opinion, mentoring programs differ from coaching programs. Indeed, with the perfect mentoring program, you are able to practically guide your potential client to get a specific and defined outcome. It presupposes that you have the knowledge and experience to help your client move from a point A to the final point Z rapidly because you have already experienced the path your mentee wants to go through to achieve results. The coaching program, instead, is slightly different because I believe the best coach helps you get the most out of you by asking the right questions. The price range can vary between $5,000 and even $25,000. Strategy number 3. Create a partnership. Partnerships are the best vehicle to make money fast, especially when you decide to make a commercial agreement with another author or company to unify forces and competencies. Indeed, thanks to a joint venture, you can leverage 1. Other people's resources. By creating a collaboration, you get immediate access to your partner's resources, such as time, money, and people. It all depends on the type of partnership you want to build. 2. Other people's reputation. This is crucial to understand. When you create a joint venture with someone else, the reputation of your partner matters. If your partner is a trustable person who honors his commitments and promises, you automatically get his reputation. 3. Other people's customers. The clients and prospects database is the real value of a joint venture. You are not in business if no one buys your product or service. Your relationships with your clients are fundamental for a successful partnership. This is the scenario. You are a marketing strategist and you provide your skills and competency to a professional to create and sell new products or services. Or you can sell existing products or services of another author. I have followed this business model multiple times in my 12-year experience in marketing, and I'm still in love with this joint venture business model. In Italy, I worked in partnership with many professionals in different areas. For example, psychologists, physiotherapists, musicians, hairstylists, and so on. In other words, I put all my marketing experiences at their disposal, my team included, to create the communication and marketing process to sell their products and services, and most of the time we split profits. Obviously, there are different parameters you should pay attention to when you decide the correct percentage in the deal, but it's not the topic of this video. After explaining these 3 valuable and practical strategies to make money online fast in 2022, let me talk about some skills you have to master if you want to create a profitable online business. What are the best money-making skills to learn in 2022? Even if you decide to create your business online or work for other companies as an employee, I urge you to take your time to master these skills. 1. Copywriting, the art of selling by only using the written word. Everything online is copywriting. Writing articles, ads, video scripts. Copy is the most important skill to persuade people to do a specific action. 2. Funnel marketing. I define it as a communication series to accompany a perfect stranger to buy your products and services. Or simply, educate your existing clients to buy other company products. There is a funnel for everything you want to sell. 3. Facebook and Instagram ads. How to advertise on Facebook and Instagram. Essentially, every small business owner and professional needs a person to manage their social accounts, both organic and paid. 4. Google and YouTube ads. How to advertise on Google and YouTube. These are critical advertising channels, especially for local businesses, but not limited to. Combined with Facebook and Instagram ads, you are able to reach every target audience you desire. Which of these skills are you already practicing? If you don't have any of these skills, you don't have to worry about it. Everything in life can be learned, and even for free. So, what is the next step? I highly urge you to learn copywriting, selling with the written word. In my YouTube channel, I created a playlist specifically designed for learning copywriting. But I recommend you to start with this video. What is copywriting? What exactly do copywriters do? 3 copywriting tips for beginners. Do not omit the basic concepts. So, watch this video now.